Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the coin monks got you covered. You can also stay crypto dated with by listening to our news podcast. We've left the link for you in the description box below. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. One more Bitcoin price dip. BTC may fall again before slow grind up, warns analyst. Why 2022 could be a big year for the Polkadot ecosystem. Crypto crash sees mass liquidations, sends shockwaves through market. The data on today's most popular meme coin shows a surge of 250%. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, while leverage is no longer an issue, Bitcoin still faces an uphill battle and numerous possible resistance levels on its way back to all-time highs. On December 5, Bitcoin recovered to almost $50,000 as traders assessed previous events. I wonder what's about to happen. I'm getting an intuition that something big is going to happen. Not that my prediction always works, but still. Anyways, let's have a look at what's the current scenario is. The pair steadied after a drop below $41,900 early Saturday as the market processed the third massive deleveraging event to rock Bitcoin this year. Some, on the other hand, had every reason to be cautious and not rule out another round of long-term lows. We take another plunge. CT loses its marbles and sells even more. However, it is amazingly purchased. Part of remarks on Bitcoin's prospects were forecasted by Lex Moskovsky, CIO of Moskovsky Capital. It is a steady grind up to consolidation. There are plenty of key support levels to reclaim in that long grind. $50,000 and the $1 trillion market cap zone just above $53,000, as well as several former all-time high levels. Rect Capital, a fellow trader and analyst, saw the 200-day exponential moving average as a possible line in the sand, a support line that had held since August but was breached in Saturday's slump. Late September witnessed a test of 200 EMA with BTC USD last trading at $42,000, and Rect Capital remarked that the magnitude of the decline still pales in the comparison to prior ones in history. You've made it through the minus 84.5% BTC bear market. You made it through the March 2020 minus 63 BTC collapse. You made it through the minus 53% BTC meltdown in May 2021. You'll make it through this as well, added he. At the time of writing, financing rates on future markets were either neutral or slightly negative, a significant change from only days prior. So moving forward with our next coverage, the Kusama parachain auction's success cleared the way for Polkadot's mainnet debut, with several of winning projects including Akala's DeFi hub Kurara announcing plans to launch on Polkadot as well. Polkadot's continuing parachain deployment is the last step of the company's multi-chain sharded architectures testing, optimization and auditing, which began on testnets such as Rococo and the Canary network Kusama. Whoa. What is that vocabulary? Anyways, let's have a look at what's getting cooked. In September, Gavin Wood suggested that Polkadot parachains were on the way when he said they were technologically ready for launch. In October, the Polkadot Council accepted a resolution to hold the network's first parachain slot auctions, which were later authorized by on-chain governance, putting purchase pressure on DOT in the up-run to the launches. The auctions are divided into batches, with the first batch of 5 starting on November 11 and lasting weekly. On December 17, the winning projects will be onboarded for a lease period that runs through October 2023. Parachains are bespoke blockchains that are attached to Polkadot's relay chain for up to 96 weeks and may be renewed. An on-chain candle auction system assigns each slot, with successful projects securing a bond in DOT for the term of the lease. Parachain terms can use a community crowd loan campaign to support their auction bids, allowing them to receive donations from DOT holders and providing demand for the project's concept. Participants in crowd loans receive the DOT back at the end of the lease, and parachain teams can opt to reward with them with the native token of their project. Because holders are not obligated to relinquish ownership of their DOT in return for the project's auctions, tokens and crowd loans differ slightly from an initial coin offering, exchange offering or DEX offering. In fact, if a project loses an auction bid, DOT is refunded. Slot holders, meantime, compensate backers when their leases expire. Another significant distinction is that the project teams cannot utilize DOT at their leisure or sell it on the open market. Instead, they have access to limited network slots, fee generation opportunities and the introduction to parachain tokens. So, moving forward, some people are fleeing in the country because of Bitcoin and other market developments, while others are urging patience. You've probably seen and heard about the latest crash. As Bitcoin fell and the market fell with it, there was a lot of volatility. Despite the enormous movement, ancient heads attempted to maintain a sense of serenity. I wonder if people are not able to think that if a tiger takes a jump back, it's about to jump. Man, it's a personal opinion, but still, I'm quite assertive for this. Anyways, our next inscription is: according to CoinGecko, Bitcoin's price dropped from $52K to $42K in 30 minutes, triggering a wave of liquidations. According to statistics provided by CoinGlass, $1,390 trillion was sold in slightly over 60 minutes. The reactions were diverse and broad, but there was a feeling of caution as crypto veterans pointed out that the drop is no more severe than past dips we've seen in Bitcoin's history. The change was the most significant single shift in the market since March 11, 2020, when the market saw the climax of COVID-induced uncertainty and liquidated more than had been expected. This time, though, there appears to be a lot more confidence in the following actions that people do. The most popular memes this time were not about the death of crypto or even the world. Instead, they were about buying the dip. Although amusing, the meme reflects the market's prevailing mood and where many investors' motivation appears to lie. Instead of fighting out what they have left, the general market mindset appears to be thinking about how they may best capitalize on the downturn. Of course, the unanticipated short-term adjustments we may encounter are something we can count on, and here at BSC News, we'll be present to chronicle each one of it as it unfolds. Regardless of your choices, keep in mind that unlike the man above, you should only spend what you can afford to lose. Here's a rare picture of a meme coin power-up. I'm kidding. So, to infinity and beyond, moving towards our final portion for today morning, let's have a look at today's top meme coin, and it's Primecoin. OMG, it's kind of original name. Damn. Well, let's have a look at what it actually is and about its 250% surge in the past 24 hours. Since its name amazed me today, I'm quite keen to hear out its backstory. So let's have a look. Today's Primecoin price is $0.265623 USD with $187,698,000 USD in 24-hour trading volume. According to our price data as of 6 p.m. IST, Primecoin has gained 278.32% in the previous 24 hours with a live market cap of $10,285,517 USD. Coin market cap now ranks 1115. It has a circulating supply of 38,722,229,000 XMPM coins with an undetermined maximum supply. If you're looking for a place to buy Primecoin, the best cryptocurrency exchanges are for buying Primecoin stock right now are AEX, South Exchange, and Bidelicious. Primecoin is a type of digital money. The mining method may be used to produce XPM for users. Primecoin's latest known price was $0.26555,004 USD, up to 78.70 in the past 24 hours. What exactly is Primecoin? You ask. Primecoin is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency that is safeguarded by encryption and distributed through a decentralized mining market. Primecoin, which is based on Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin, presents a new type of proof of work based on prime integers. Primecoin has a lot of value. The Primecoin network looks for Cunningham chains and Bitwin chains, which are exceptional prime number chains. The distribution of these prime chains is currently unknown as their unlimited existence is not demonstrated even for the simplest example, twin primes. For more information, you may visit the official site, namely primecoin.io. So we will now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.